At Nytron Aerospace, we've built our reputation on machining some of the most complex and high-tolerance parts in the aerospace and defense industries. We handle CNC milling, turning, EDM, and assemblies across tough materials like Inconel, titanium, and stainless steel. What makes me proud is not just our technical capabilities, but our ability to deliver consistently, on time, and to spec, while still growing as a company.
What would you say to a customer who wants to know if we can deliver on tight deadlines?
The team has evolved tremendously by improving the communication and the teamwork in between them. That way, all the departments that are working within this great company can achieve all the results that we're striving for.
How do we make sure quality and speed are both achieved here at Nytron?
Yes, we can, because having a good team that can plan ahead puts Nytron in a pole position for any customer that wants to do business with a great company. Having good communication and clear system that makes the team achieve the success that the company is striving for.
What can customers expect when it comes to our communication and coordination?
Customers can expect quick replies and constant communication, and with our newest software, we send out weekly status reports so they can just keep track of their jobs.
What do you enjoy about handling logistics and scheduling at Nytron?
I enjoy the challenge of making sure everything runs smoothly so orders get there on time.